Hey guys, so we're in the electric
Hyundai Kona.
The Kona,
Yeah.
it's the electric journey.
We're gonna go crazy around a course.
She said you're a stunt driver?
Yeah, I do commercials and movies.
Oh, so this is gonna be crazy fun.
I hope.
So-
It's kind of tight, but I'll do what I can.
All right, very
Yeah.
cool. I'll let you do your thing.
All right, so let's go. Alright, so this has 201 horsepower, 291 pound-feet of torque, and I'm going to show you that right now. What I'm going to do is hit the brake and the gas at the same time to really make it scream, and we're just going to take off really fast. Alright, so imagine we're merging on a highway. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this tops out around $44,000, fully loaded. Yeah, you get all this cool stuff, radar on the front, pedestrian detection, lifetime warranty on the battery too, which is great because batteries are pretty pricey.
I was about to say, like,
yeah, as long as you own the car. I'll move right up here. Alright, I hope you liked it.
Awesome,
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Yeah, you're welcome.